Alright guys, good morning, or should I say afternoon. Taking a week off, so gonna do some repairs on this 2017 Chevy Colorado Duramax. So I have two engine codes that are showing up on the diagnostics: P11DB and P11DC. Those are for the NOX sensors, position 1 and position 2. So the biggest challenge so far is getting the sensors themselves. One of them was on back order for 4 months or something, and the other one shipped. I've got them both through Summit Racing. I'll give you the numbers, the part numbers, shortly. So this is what they look like. So they kind of look the same, only one has a black plug and then the other one has a gray plug. So they're both kind of the same sensors, and I want to show you where they're located. So the first sensor is located right there. Right there. So that's position 1. Position 2 is goddamn hat. Position 2. Fuck. Position 2 is right there on the frame rail, and that is the sensor right there. Right after, I'm not sure what that is. It's probably a cat. And the controller for the first sensor is right there. So all you gotta do is swap them out. I do recommend renting an oxygen sensor tool from O'Reilly's or AutoZone, or getting one from Amazon. I'll provide those links as well. Alright, here's a comparison of the two sensors. This is the one I just removed from the car. It's a little hot to the touch right now. It's very sooted. Position 2. Position 2. It's a new sensing head. So I'll be putting this in right now. A crow's foot is best used for this one. If you want to remove it, I suggest using a breaker bar. The connector here is shielded by this thermal barrier. All you gotta do is move it back. There's a locking clip on that. Pull that back, and just press on this and pull the connector back. Install is a reverse servo removal. An oxygen sensor socket works best right here, and I also recommend using a breaker bar. You can use a 3/8 to a 1/2 inch adapter, and then a 1/2 inch shorty. Just get it out here a little bit. It's not too bad.